Let's talk about this Alzclipp memory enhancer. I will show you if this product is a scam product or does this really work. So let's start. First thing you will see is these ingredients. These are very generic. There is no specific ingredients, which is very high, which is such a beneficial thing that it enhances your memory and all just through neural stimulation. This is not going to do it. Now second most important, this FDA approval is fake. They are showing that this has been performed through clinical trials and FDA has approved it, but this is not true. You will not find any approval number or any registration number like that thing. Also on FDA website itself you will not find any mention of this product, so that's also a huge red flag. Now the reviews here, they are saying that they have got around 10,000 plus users, but you will see these are not real reviews. These are just stock images they have picked up from the internet. This is not John Thompson. If you will just do simple Google reverse search, you will find out that this same person has been featured on this corneal transplantation website. So this is not a real person. This is just a stock image. So that's also a red flag. And the major red flag about this is that in the contact us page they have just written that they have been in this business for years. But if you will see, when was this website started, this was registered only on 26th September 2024, just around 5 to 10 days ago this was registered. So this is completely a scam product. Don't buy anything.